And this one is also personal. Now, I don't know if anyone out there also wants a reading. And I'm going to be honest. If anyone out there actually wants a reading from me, just say, hey, can I have a reading? Or, tell me what your question is. And this is the night to ask, because I'm going to do a couple and then that's it. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. And this one is a personal one. Like I said, it is personal. I won't lie. It's about us finding a house. Okay. I did one for my daughter personally, but the house that we wanted, it fell through. Plus with the mortgage and the taxes, it would have been like $6,000 a month. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying that's a lot of money. $6,000 a month is $72,000 a year. Anyway, I know we can find something better. So we're going to pray on this. I'm going to reach out now to see if we can get some inside info. Divine Spirit, please show me clearly the special message you have for Christiana and I about this house. What can we do about our house? I want to know about the house, or what our next step is. Show me clearly, Divine Spirit. What is the special message you have to share about house? House. Show me clearly. What was that? Doing this like over here somewhere. 6 of Raphael. Embrace your inner child. New friends or rekindle relationships. Children or childhood. What's this under here? No, it wasn't that, was it? So let's go here. Let's try it again. Divine Spirit, show me clearly the message you have about Christiana. Omega Dragon harnesses the divine feminine power of creation. Intention, hold your vision. Birth the brighter conscious. Birth the higher consciousness. Wow, that's a great card. Let's see if there's anything else. Divine Spirit, show me clearly. Show me clearly what you like to share about house. House. What is this up here? A mature man. A 5. That usually is like a Gemini. 5 is Gemini in numerology and Leo in astrology. I do see the globe, the world there. It's a mature man. I wonder what that... I got to get another one. Please clarify this for me, Divine Spirit. What is it about the house? Clarify this for me, Divine Spirit. What is it you're trying to tell us? What are you trying to tell us about this? Show me clearly. Show me. Show me. I am having a hard time. Let's try this again. Divine Spirit, show me clearly that special message you have about this house. Oh, wait. Passion. Passion is an inner flame that will keep you striving toward your vision. Okay, so I'm picking up a couple of things from so far. The word vision has popped up repeatedly. It's about us envisioning this house. So I think we have to really sit back, envision exactly what we want. And I believe by envisioning, and look at this looks like a Virgo. Look at that with all the things in her hand. My daughter's a Virgo. I think that's part of it, is envisioning what we want. and having passion to do that. So we stay passionate and envision what we want. I believe we're going to get it. So I thought that was cool. I'm going to stop there because I think it's telling me the same message. It keeps showing me vision. It's telling me about passion. So I believe that's the message that we're supposed to have.